Today we'll start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, bar graph. In that we are going to learn so many things, how we are going to use our graph book for making the bar graph. Now before starting, I'll just want to ask some question related to the bar graph only. You can see this picture. You have to observe this picture. See, you have to observe this picture. Now from observing, I'll ask some question. That questions you are going to write down in the chat box. Now here, by observing this picture, what you are going to see, there are two countries, that is India and Sri Lanka. There are balls over there. There are runs also. Yes. Now first question is, to which sports is this data related? Now this data is related to which sport? कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स है? वेरी गुड विराज. इट इज रिलेटेड टू अदर स्टूडेंट. वेरी गुड. इट इज रिलेटेड टू द स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ क्रिकेट. So what is the first answer? To which sport is this data related? This data is related to the क्रिकेट. ये डेटा किसका है? किसके बारे में बता रहा है? क्रिकेट के बारे में. बिकॉज वहां पे बॉल्स है, रन है, ओवर्स है. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर इंक्लूडिंग इन द विच स्पोर्ट्स? इट इज इंक्लूडिंग इन द cricket. Now what is the second question? How many things does the picture tell us about? ये pictures क्या बता रहा है? How many things? Very good. Overs, run, very nice, score. और क्या बता रहा है? Ball, yes. More thing, wickets, yes. Outs, yes. Very nice. Team name, very good. Team name also. Countries, yes. Very nice. और क्या बता रहा है ये पिक्चर? Yes, country name. Yes, very nice. It is showing. Now what this picture is showing, this picture tells us about T20 matches between India and Sri Lanka. Matches किसके बीच में है? India and Sri Lanka. It is the matches between India and Sri Lanka. And it also shows the runs or the score by each team. हर एक टीम का runs बता रहा है, scores बता रहा है. And it also tells us about the wickets that fell out each team. Wickets जहां जहां पे गिरा है, out हुआ है, that also it is showing. So it is showing the match between Sri Lanka and India. It shows the runs and the scores by the each team, and it also should tell us about the wickets that fall each team. Yeah, okay. Now what is the third question? What shape has been used in the picture to represent run? अभी ये run represent करने को कौन सा shape बता रहा है? Which shape? Yes, it is showing in the shape of rectangle. But what we call that? We are not calling that rectangle. What we call that? No, graph नहीं बोलते हैं उसको. Very nice, Durva. What we call that? We call that as bars. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What we call that? Bars. We are not telling that things as a rectangle. It shows like a picture of rectangle, but we call it as a bars. B-A-R-S. It's called as bars. So the bars are used to represent runs. बार किसके लिए यूज किया है हमने? बार हमने यूज किया है to represent runs. Now in this what we learn how we are going to observe the picture, and on that basis we are going to answer all the question related to the data. And the rectangle shape is what? That is our bar. So today we're going to learn about the chapter that is called as bar graph. Now next, in your previous class, you have learned the pictograph. Pictograph हमने कौन से क्लास में किया था? 6th standard में. no, fifth standard we have learned pictograph. So on that basis only one example of pictograph we will do, and on that same example, same data, we are going to draw a bar graph. We are going to draw a bar graph. Now what is our first example? A pictograph of the types and numbers of vehicle in a town is given below. Now in this picture, what is given? The town name and the vehicles names are given. Taking one picture equal to 5 vehicles. एक picture, what is it indicating? One picture is indicating 5 vehicles. Write their numbers in the pictograph. Now we have to write down the numbers. How many numbers the picture indicate, that we are going to write it down. Now with the help of pictograph, we will find out how many numbers are going to be written over there. Now in the first picture, types of vehicles में क्या क्या है? Bicycle, motorcycle, auto rickshaw and bullock cart. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? Bicycle, motorcycle, auto rickshaw and bullock cart. Now vehicles बताया है. How many bicycle are there? Count and tell me. How many bicycle are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on the starting only it told that one picture is how many vehicles? 5 vehicles. So there are total 6 vehicles. 6 vehicle means how many will be the numbers? Very good. The number will be 30 because एक picture हुए 5 vehicles. So there are total 6 vehicles, 6 cycles. So 6 should multiply by 5. So what I should write over? 6 5s are 30. Clear? Okay. Now the second picture is of motorcycle. Now motorcycle is how much? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Motorcycle kitna hai? 5. So 5 should multiply by 5. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. Very nice. So 5 5 is how much? 5 5 is 25. Okay. Now how many auto rickshaw is there? Auto rickshaw is only one. Only one means one picture kitna hai? 5 vehicles. So there will be only 5. There will be 5 only. Now last is what? Last is bullock cart. Now bullock cart kitne hai? 1, 2, 3. There are how many bullock cart? 3. So 3 should multiply by 5. Very nice. 3 5 is how much? 3 5 is 15. So we have find out with the help of pictograph number of vehicles. Clear? Now with the help of this only picture, now we are going to draw a bar graph. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do a bar graph. Now before starting the bar graph, I want to explain you what are the graph, how it is looking like. See, in this picture, you can see this is the picture of bar. This is the picture of graph paper. Graph paper. Now, this is related to the bar graph lesson. So, you have to purchase graph book from the shop. Now, it is showing like this only. I have just shown you the paper of the graph paper. So, see, you can see here, there are thick line also and dark line also and light line also. Is it there? There are dark line also and there are light line also. So with the help of this only, we will draw the bar graph. With the help of this graph paper, we are going to draw the bar graph. Okay. Now I'll tell you how you are going to draw each and every questions related to the bar. Now here there are dark line also and light line also. You can count here. Wait, I'll show you making the big screen. See, this is the dark line. Yes, this is the dark line. In between the dark line, there are small line. ये लाइन के बीच में छोटे छोटे कितने लाइंस होते हैं? 10 लाइंस. छोटे छोटे जो लाइन है If you count, that all are 10 lines. That all are 10 lines. So while making the graph, whatever instructions are given, that you will write down in the graph paper. Now, see here, just wait a minute. See, here you are going to write the scale. Scale देते हैं वो लोग. They are giving you scale. So scale you will write right side of the top graph paper. Graph paper के right side में लिखना है. Now this is our this line and this line. This line is our x-axis. ये line को हम लोग क्या नाम देते हैं? X-axis. And this line we give name as y-axis. Clear? Don't get confused. This straight standing line is your y-axis, and this sleeping line is your x-axis. You have to close with the help of arrow. You have to close with the help of arrow, and here you will write O. O, that means it is origin. O, that means it is origin. So how you will start with the paper? How will you will start with the graph? With the help of x-axis, y-axis and scales on the right side of the top. I'll show you. I have drawn the graph also, but I'll just want to instruct you how you are going to use the graph. Now here you have to write two things. See, हमारा जो पहला क्वेश्चन था उसमें क्या दिया था? Vehicles दिया था and number of vehicle was given. So vehicle, the name of anything, the name you will write here. जो भी कुछ है उसके नेम्स यहाँ पे देते हैं, and numbers you will write on the y-axis. Y-axis पे हमको क्या लिखना है? Numbers, and x-axis में हमको लिखना है name. Any type of questions में जो भी कुछ name होगा, name of trees, name of plant, name of flower, name of students, whatever name is given, that you have to write on the x-axis, and on the y-axis you have to write the numbers. What you have to write down? You have to write down the numbers. Now in the first picture, it is the first pictograph, it is given bicycle. So how you will do it? You will leave this box. ये जो dark line तक है, ये line आप leave करेंगे, and you will write over here bicycle. Then you leave this line, then you will write auto rickshaw, whatever is name. आपको एक बॉक्स छोड़ना है, दूसरे बॉक्स में लिखना है, एक बॉक्स छोड़ना है, दूसरे बॉक्स में लिखना है. But while writing the number, you will write directly. While writing the number, you are going to write it directly, the scale. Now, what will be the scale? I'll tell you. See, for example, if I start with the number 2, so here I will write 2. 2 के बाद I will write 4 because मैंने कितना का gap लिया है? 2 का. So I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8. The table of 2. If I take the scale as 5, so I will start with the writing of the table 5. 5, 10, 50. It is related to the question. जब question जैसा रहेगा वही हिसाब से हमको क्या लेना है? उसका scale लेना है. So I hope you people have understood. One more time I'll show you with the help of the graph paper only. First of all, I have to rub this. I know today you don't have the graph book, but in the next exercise is related to the graph.